in your memo, you talked about the Comey decision, and you talk about obstruction of justice, and you already went over that, which I appreciate. You wrote on page 1 that a president persuading a person to commit perjury would be obstruction. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Or any person who persuades another to, yeah.
Okay. You also said that a president or any person convincing a witness to change testimony would be obstruction. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And on page 2, you said that a president deliberately impairing the integrity or availability of evidence would be an obstruction. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so what if a president told a witness not to cooperate with an investigation or hinted at a pardon?
You know, I'd have to know the specific. I'd have to know the specific facts.
Okay. And you wrote on page 1 that if a president knowingly destroys or alters evidence, that would be obstruction.
Yes.
Okay. So what if a president drafted a misleading statement to conceal the purpose of a meeting? Would that be obstruction?
Again, you know, I'd have to know the specifics.
All right. You would seek the advice of career ethics officials in the Department of Justice for any recusal, and I appreciate that. And you said in the past that you commended Attorney General Sessions for following the advice of those ethics lawyers, but you didn't commit today to following that advice. Is that right?
No, I didn't commend him for following the advice. As the agency head, he's the one responsible for making the recusal decision. I don't know why he locked himself into following the advice. That's an abdication of his own responsibility.
So what did you think about what Acting Attorney General Whitaker did when he rejected the Justice Department ethics advice to recuse himself out of an abundance of caution?
I haven't seen the advice he got, and I don't know the specific facts. But abundance of caution suggests that it could have gone either way.
You've committed to recuse yourself from matters involving the law firm where you currently work. Are you aware of any of your firm's clients who are in any way connected to the special counsel's investigation?
I'm not aware. To tell you the truth, I'm of counsel there, and I have one client which I'm representing, and I don't pay very much attention to.
Well, you can also supplement that.
Yeah, I'll supplement my
answer. No
answer.
problem. Will you commit to make public all of the report's conclusions, the Mueller report, even if some of the evidence supporting those conclusions can't be made public?
You know, that certainly is my goal and intent.